Hello everyone, welcome to Travel Triple Channel. Today we have 10 trends of the week. So let's get started. First of all, best homeschool teacher ever, and we can see here there are only 1138 results, and I think it's not saturated yet. So yeah, we can do a lot of things like maybe like stickers or maybe like masks. As you can see, there's no mask at the first page. Yeah, we can compete in this trend. And the next one, raised lens, not cheap. And yeah, there are pretty awesome designs right here, but it's only 351, so it's awesome. And today we're gonna have like low trends design, so not a lot of people are designing. So 351, I think you can compete with that. You can do some retro design like here. Distress design will be right fine. And I think also like Friends font design will be amazing. Yeah, so let's go to the third one, which is let the people trade. We know right now that the Bitcoin, everything about the cryptocurrency is really trendy right now, and I think if you do like cross niche between like trading and another thing like eat, sleep, trade, and repeat, you can do a lot of other stuff and just put trade here in the middle, or you can do like the retro one and yeah, let the people trade, or you can do like different stuff like try to be creative, guys. And yeah, so here like for example, let the people trade, and here's something. So I think like even the third page or something like that. So I think you can compete easily in this niche. Let the people trade and make cross niche with Bitcoin, of course. So the fourth trend we have Dad the Man, the Myth, the Guitar Legend, and it's only 286 results. And I think also there are pretty awesome designs here. I like this design. Yeah, it's cool. And here a sticker, but I think you can just do another kind of designs because it's almost the same font. I think we can choose another font like that. We can do also distressed, another mask or some stickers will be fine because I think there's only one sticker here. So yeah, we can compete in stickers. So the next one will gonna be it's a little bit long. I don't always play golf. Sometimes I eat and sleep, and once I even left the course. I think it's more about stickers, yeah, but there are also some t-shirts in that, and it's only 98 results, guys. So and it's selling. So I think we can just do another colors because it's almost only black and white, and we can here do some green. It's always good when you design for golf to make some green. Maybe we change the color of the ball to be green, something like that. But yeah, you can just go outside of the competition with some colors here. It's very easy. And then we go to, yes, I do have a retirement plan. I plan to do camping, and it's always about the camping niche right here. So you can do a lot of stuff in the camping niche. There are like variety, and it's very good cross niche in the camping niche. So if you are interested in camping, that's a very nice niche for you, and it's only 95 results as we can see, and it's trending. Okay, the next one, all of them are lower than 100 results. So, and St. Patrick Day is like after 1 month, and luckiest principle ever. It's very, very good trending right now. And as we can see, the green color with some nice design of St. Patrick Day. And even there are some mugs that I don't understand what's that. So I think you can easily rank on that first page. It's only 77 results, so it's almost like I don't know, like 2 page or something like that. Let's see. uh, I think it's only 1 page. Yeah, so I mean you can rank on the first here if you do just like nice design. I think it is the most beautiful one that likes principle ever, that I like that so much. You can do another things. You can also optimize for masks. It will be fine. I think you can just compete with these guys. It's okay. St. Patrick Day. You can also try Patrick's Principle Ever, but like his Principle Ever, it's much more awesome, I think. So let's go for the next one, which is gonna be built by Black History NBA. So yeah, and we know that this thing is trend right now. You can do this American flag with black built by Black History. As we can see, even here's the font is not very obvious. I think if you do like a little bit more bold and a little bit higher here, it's gonna be much better. This is really good. This is really good masks, but I think The American flag here is not that, yeah, as you can see here is better because it's like the car is synchronized, but here is a little bit out of, yeah, I don't know, I don't feel it's good. So as you can see here, you can just make a lot of stuff, and yeah, you can do some stickers. You can do also optimize for t-shirts. It's very good to rank here, and I think it's trend right now. So last but not least, any Ascars, and I was surprised when I found that trend. Any Ascar is really funny, and yeah, you can just make it because it's funny. You know, when it's funny, it sells, and we know like that. So you can do a lot of stuff. You can do like mayonnaise, surprise any Ascars or something like that. Yeah, like a repetition also is good. The repetition one, you can also make the repetition with the color of vintage. It's gonna be nice, vintage retro design. So yeah, let's go for the last one, which is old map of Barbados. I don't know how to spell that. Old map of Barbados. Okay, that's good. Yeah, there is a niche of mapping and sketching and this kind of stuff. I have no idea about that, but I think it looks like there are a lot of people are designing for that. So yeah, I think it's only 24 result and it's very trending. So I just found it and I just wish to share with you guys. Maybe you are interested in something like maps or sketches or something like that. So yeah, maybe you can design for that, and also maybe another old maps will be fine. But also you have to check about the copyrights of these images and also the copyrights of any image you will use in your design, because that's very important. And I have a video about how to check that copyright, and yeah, I will put it also in the description if you want to check the websites. And I wish you enjoyed, guys, about the 10 trends right here, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you need anything, and thank you so much. See you.